John O'Connell from CW Applied Technology here, and today I want to give you a quick introduction to operating our MUV XL room ultraviolet sterilizer to show you how easy it is to use. So first, uncoil the cable and plug into a standard wall socket. Then unlock the cover case, revealing the sterilizer. Place the sterilizer on top of the cover and clamp into place. And now to set the runtime. The figures shown in red on the display are locked into the machine. The figures in yellow are what you can adjust with the buttons underneath to the runtime you want to set. Set your desired runtime, 15 minutes in this case, switch off the power and switch back on. The time you set on the yellow digits is now locked into the machine and shown in red. Now, leave the room. The bulbs will turn on in 2 minutes. One of the features of the MUV XL is if someone comes into the room while the sterilizer is working, the motion sensors on the machine will pick up on that and switch off the bulbs. An alarm will also sound, as it will at the end of a normal run, even without interruption. Once the MUV XL has completed its run and it's to be moved to the next room, just switch off the power, wind up the cable and wheel it to the next room. It's very easy, user-friendly operation and proven technology against virus and bacteria.